This is a quick look at my virtual PLN and the Twitter page that I made and why I made the decisions I did. So I like to start with the quote, "Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much," by Helen Keller, because the whole point of a PLN is to collaborate with other educators, and we really are stronger together when we work with other people. Then this graphic from George Couros is 10 reasons why every teacher needs a PLN. It's just a great way to share resources, ideas, get support, make connections that aren't just in your community but are international as well. This is a quick look at my profile on Twitter. So my name is Myers World. It goes along with my content of world geography. I also wanted to make sure that people are aware that I'm a technology lover and an innovator so that I can connect with the right kind of people to build my PLN. The next page is all about the people that I'm following and why I chose to follow those. So first, I looked at recommendations from Dr. Thompson, and I automatically followed each of those educators because they seemed like great people, innovative people that I would want to share ideas with. The second thing I did was I actually researched on the internet if there were any suggestions on innovative educators to follow, and I found this website. Therefore, I went through each of those and I looked at who I might be interested in following and joining my PLN. Next thing, I thought about my specific interests being social studies and technology, and so I searched those in the Twitter search bar and then found people that go along with those interests as well. The next people I started following were my district personnel, so administrators, PSO accounts, just different accounts through the Rockwood School District so I can stay up to date and connected, sharing ideas with my own community. And the final group of people that I decided to follow were colleagues of mine, people that work in my building, work in my district that I already share ideas and inspiration with, but it's also another cool way to do that via the internet, and I can see cool things that they're doing in their classrooms. So this is a look at everyone I'm following right now on Twitter and kind of a little bit about each of them. Then the chats that I chose to follow were first ed tech because clearly I have an interest in technology, education technology. In this chat, people are discussing how they implement technology, different tech tools to try, and how technology benefits students in the classroom. Then George Couros' book really has struck me, and I absolutely love all the ideas. So innovation mindset and innovation are two things that I follow, and seeing the conversations with George Couros himself and followers of his book are awesome, and the takeaways from that just are encouraging me to be more innovative myself. Next, I also follow world geography because it is my content area, and getting ideas about world geography or different content I can share with my students is always cool. Middle school takes a special person to teach middle school, and so to be able to connect with people that kind of know what I'm going through and share the same kind of lifestyle that I do every day at work is a neat thing. So these are the searches that I follow and the hashtags that I'm a part of. Then the ideas that I've gotten just from starting this PLN a week ago have been amazing. These are just a few of them, so it's a quick snapshot, but different ways to learn with technology to look for in a classroom. So this is by George Couros. This is the kind of thing that we saw in our book. Just great ideas to make your classroom more innovative. Then I also found this, which is also through George Couros' website, but reasons why students should be a part of your professional learning day. And I think this is going to inspire me to take something like this to my principal and see if we can get students a part of our professional learning at some point. And finally, here on the left, this is a look at different Google Expeditions that I can share with world geography students. I love Google Expeditions. It's a great way to integrate technology and innovation in the classroom. So I thought this chart was really cool, and I'm definitely going to use this. And then right here on the right, we actually do a mental map in my class where students have to be able to draw the world and label things by the end of the year. And so the idea of drawing on their desks with Expo marker, I think, is just a really fun, creative way to practice that. So this is probably something I'll implement in my classroom as well. So this is a look at my website, kind of taking you through the reasons for how my Twitter page and my PLN are set up. This was definitely a beneficial exercise, as now I know a bunch of different educators and innovative people online that I can connect with, so I will definitely be utilizing this Twitter page from here on out. That's about it. Thanks.